Hello friends, this is Ajay Pal Gangwar and today I will talk about how to prepare for software engineering job for freshers. And the fresher can be from any branch of engineering. I am from computer science branch. I have done my BTech in 2016 and currently I am working as a principal developer. So initially, for fresher, it should be proper resume. The resume should mention like your graduate college name, year and percentage, and your intermediate college name and board and percentage and year, and 10th college name, year and percentage. Then you can write down about your skill set. So it, and for fresher you should have understanding of database operating system and data structure and algorithm is the must. You should have coding understanding and you should do coding practice. And for tech, then you should have knowledge of any programming language. It can be Java, JavaScript, or Python or Java or C. I will recommend you to go with Python or Java or JavaScript because these are very very frequently used languages in industry. Anyone you can prefer whichever you find good. And for other like for front end you should know HTML, CSS, and you can learn some courses from YouTube and JavaScript framework like Angular or React.js. These are used for front end for website development, and the Java and Python and these languages are used for backend. This you can deep down in this thing. I'm just giving the brief idea. I will not go into detail. I will attach many links in the description below. You can follow those. You will find some good YouTube channel also. You will find my blog where I have written detailed about many things, and I have referred some websites. From there you can follow and you can do interview preparation, and you can apply where you should apply, like naukri.com, instahire.com, angel list, angel.co. There you find a lot of startups, jobs in the startups. And initially as a fresher I will recommend you to have at least the thing I told earlier, the basic computer science fundamentally you should be very strong, and then slowly you keep practicing those programming questions. And when you go through the my blog you will find many meaningful websites, those you can follow. And I will also attach one uh, project code from GitHub. You can download that, you can run in your system. When you run you will understand how the work is done in industry, how to run the code and how to check those things, front end and back end, and get the basic idea how things work. And most of the interviews at least fundamentally your computer science concept will be very clear and very practical. Even someone ask because it can, the interview can go only on one question. It can, the one question you will answer that question, and that your answer will lead to many other questions. So that thing you need to, if you are very and you understood those things practically, you can answer those things properly. And in case you don't know answer, then you can simply say you don't know answer. That will be the good thing, but don't try to uh, tell some very unclear definition which don't tell uh, uh, which will lead to like which will tell like you don't have clear understanding of those things. And just so when you are giving an interview, just so like you can learn, even you don't know few things, you can learn those things, you have that eagerness to learn those things. Because from fresher it is not expected to know many things. So whatever you know, at least basics of computer science, those things you should know very well. Most of the work and every most of the thing will be on top of your fundamental understanding. So hope this video will help you, and I will share many links in the description below. You can refer those links, and you can pass those links and this video with your friends, or whichever whoever is looking for software engineering job as a fresher. That video can help them. Thank you.